Today we are changing the oil on a 2022 Jeep Cherokee. A little V6. Take it off. There's your oil filter. But you know what? It's a lot easier to just go bloop. That can get to it better. $5.20. First thing you want to do is take your hat off. You're going to need a 15-16. DeWalt's the best socket that you can get, so. Oh yeah, you want a cobalt extension, that's where it's at. And then a DeWalt ratchet, 1/2-inch drive. Gonna loosen that cap up so we can drain relieve. Loosen that cap up right there. Just gonna set it in there. All right, time to go underneath. Next, you want a Craftsman ratchet with a 10mm 3/8 drive, because you already have a DeWalt ratchet and socket for the oil filter with a cobalt extension. 3/8 drive, Craftsman. It's very important. 10mm. Most times them are not in there. It usually looks like that. Make sure you grab your little extension here, 3/8 drive. Push that little button right there. Turn this bad boy over like that right there. Oop. Looks like you got 4 10mm bolts for this little cover so you can get to the oil. Change of plans, you ain't got to take that cover off. You can get to the drain plug for the oil, and it's going to be a 13mm. Now, this is very important. You definitely don't want to use a Craftsman, a DeWalt, or a cobalt extension. So this time you're going to use a gear wrench, 9113D, as in done, 13mm ratchet wrench. We'll also need a 5/8 Craftsman. You don't want a Craftsman and a DeWalt together. You want a gear wrench and a Craftsman. You use the Craftsman right here, just like that. That way you get more leverage to turn that boat with, because you don't have much room under the car, especially if you do this at home. There she goes, nice and black. Yep. Guess we'll go take a coffee break. All right, coffee break's over. Oh, we change this filter out while we're waiting. Oh man, not too bad. Inspect your little oil ring, comes with a new one. Lube her up real good. Get this little dude right here, just put a little oil on that. Dig her in the hole. And that oil ring pop in. That's very important. You're gonna get about 525.5 foot-pounds of torque. That's about 300 right there. 400. Now, here comes the 5 plus. One more squeak. There it is. Good job, guys. Get your old drain out here. There it is. I'll go over here. Clean this little bad boy off real quick. Make sure that little rubber piece is good. Yeah, it's time to stick it back in there. 13 millimeter. Also, make sure you get the smallest funnel possible just to see how good you are without getting it everywhere. And that's all right if you get a little bit on the car here. It'll shine that bad boy up. Look at that. Just like brand new factory showroom floor. We're gonna check. We got about 5 quarts in. Half a quart low. Make sure you drip some over here too. That's why you shine this side up too. You don't want one side just being clean and the other one not. That's not even right. Make sure you save this other half quart for next time. Now we got her buttoned up on top. All the plugs, everything's in tight. And you gotta let your jack down, especially if you're fluffy. Just reset your oil life. You just go to vehicle info, right click over, or to reset it, of course you just press and hold OK. With it has to be in run mode. Stay tuned till next time and we'll change the oil in Truck Norris here. She's been needing it for quite a while, probably around 15,000 miles overdue.